Good day guys. PCOS. What is PCOS? Most common case in the female infertility. But most female have the PCOS but they don't even know that what is PCOS. PCOS when a female have the hormonal disorder. The monthly period cycle will be disturbed. The menses will be disturbed. The hormonal disorder where the body produce male hormones, male organs. It's a type of male hormones the PCOS produce. Due to the PCOS, if your monthly cycle disturbed, so you can't be pregnant. Every month, the eggs of a female will not produce regularly due to the PCOS. Due to PCOS, the acne problem a female can be, the back pain, the hair where you don't want due to the PCOS. It disturbs the insulin level, the insulin sensitivity. If a female have PCOS, so it's a chance that she should be the type 2 diabetes. So follow us for more.